Welcome back to BLUETTI Support. Today we'll guide you through installing your whole home backup system, EnergyPro 13K. Before starting, read the manual and all safety instructions. Get your tools ready. Check the box. Make sure everything's there. Take a quick look at the system diagram so you know how everything connects. Now prep your space. Choose a solid, level surface away from anything flammable, and make sure it supports the system's weight. The base can hold up to 5 stacked units. For proper airflow, leave at least 40 inches of clearance on both sides and 12 inches up top. Position the base roughly 2 inches from the wall. Adjust the leveling feet until stable, then tighten the nuts. Now let's build the stack. Stack your battery unit one by one, and place the EnergyPro 13K on top. Attach the side brackets. Mark drill points. And remove the brackets and drill. Drill and insert the expansion bolts. Insert the expansion bolts, reattach brackets, and secure all screws. Reattach the brackets. Nice work. The main structure is complete. Before wiring, power off all units and wait about 5 minutes for the system to fully discharge. Connect grounding cables between units using the pre-cut cables. This ensures proper grounding. Next, connect the expansion cables. Black to negative. Red to positive. You'll hear a click when it's properly connected. Double-check all connections. From the top inverter, connect link port 3 to the battery's 2 PCS port. Link batteries top to bottom. Pack link out to pack link in. A click confirms a secure connection. Mount the EMS controller. Hold the bracket in place, mark points, then drill holes. Insert the bolts and secure the bracket. Hang the EMS onto the bracket and connect the communication cable to the EnergyPro 13K's link port 1. Secure the wires to their correct terminals on the grid and backup blocks. Fasten both blocks with M8 screws. Route cables through the conduits. Tighten all fittings. When pairing to the AT1, start on the grid side. Connect L1 and L2 to the ESS breaker first, then match ground and neutral to bus bars. From the AT1, route L1 and L2 to the transfer switch, and match ground and neutral to bus bars. From the transfer switch, route all wires to the subpanel. Now connect the upper L1 and L2, plus ground and neutral to the main panel. From there, wire L1 and L2 to the AT1 breaker and finish with ground and neutral. Your system adapts intelligently in real time. With grid power, energy flows through the AT1, powering your home and charging the EnergyPro 13K. If the EnergyPro 13K is inactive, the grid keeps everything running through the AT1. In an outage, the EnergyPro 13K kicks in instantly, so your essentials never miss a beat. And if both units are offline, flip the switch, you're back on grid power. All set? Let's close it up. Attach the side covers, 5 screws on each side. Then apply the system label to the base. Your smarter, more resilient home starts right now. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe for more quick tips on your EnergyPro 13K system. We'll see you soon.